We're back outside our $1 million Airbnb property. A lot of progress has taken place, so let's go inside and check it out.
Before we go inside, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see the progress of this, see it come together, and wait till we show you the numbers here in a couple months.
So now that we're inside, let's take a look at some of the progress that's taken place. Upon entering the house, you're in our main room. This is going to be more of our game room. Right now, as you can see, our floors have been installed. We use LVT flooring when renovating our Airbnb properties. Number one reason why is this flooring is super, super durable. When people book Airbnbs, there's going to be a lot of running around. It's going to be a lot of partying and drinking and possibly spills. So we want the most durable material so it stays looking good forever. The house has been fully painted. We've wired the ceiling for a chandelier and a fan. We've painted our existing fireplace where we're going to hang a TV, and we installed a brand new vinyl sliding door right here off this main area. We wanted to give the most opportunities to go in and outside the property from any room. We want to make every room in our Airbnb a desirable place to hang out. So the idea for this room is to install a nice sectional couch, pool table, nice seating area, big TV, and possibly a poker table, so this area can be fully utilized.
So now in the main entertainment living area of the house, we, if you remember, had this big bar that was actually already existing here. One thing we changed and saved a lot of money on was simply painted the existing cabinets black. These are in really good shape. We didn't want to tear them out, and the countertops we saved as well. They go really well together. We're going to put really big, nice gold hardware on the cabinets to update them even more. Bar's going to look great. So this house is a 7-bedroom house. It's going to sleep a lot of people. So we're going to have bar stools all the way down the bar so everyone has a place to sit and watch TV behind the bar if there's a game on. We have this long wall here that we're actually going to turn into a big entertainment wall. So we're going to trim the wall out in a really nice MDF trim with designs, paint it in accent color, and hang like a 90-inch TV smack dab in the middle of this room. So when you're renovating and thinking about designing your Airbnb, you want to make sure that every room can accommodate all of your guests. So we're going to make sure, since this house sleeps 12 to 14 people, we fit 12 to 14 bar stools in here, and we get a couch large enough to sit comfortably all 12 to 14 people. You want to make sure that you have utensils, plates, bowls, stools, couches, everything fits all of your guests.
So the kitchen renovation in this Airbnb is coming along super nicely. You always want to keep an eye out for certain things that you can leave in place if they're nice enough to do so, to save you some money on the renovation costs. We did that with the countertops and cabinets here in this kitchen. Since the cabinets in this Airbnb were in such good shape, we decided to just go ahead and paint them this really nice sleek black color. It's going to look fantastic once we install all the new gold hardware against that color. And luckily for us, we were also able to save all of the really nice appliances and reinstall them once this kitchen's done.
So when renovating your Airbnb, you want to make sure that the primary bedroom feels and looks like the most upgraded room in the house, and that's what we're doing here. So what we're doing is we're going to trim this entire bed wall out with a really cool design wall trim, painted in accent color so that it feels really upgraded when you come into it. So coming into the bathroom, even though we left the cabinets and counters in the kitchen and in the bar area, we did replace all the cabinets and countertops in all the bathroom of the house. So brand new shaker cabinets, black hardware, black quartz tops. This is going to look really good, highly upgraded in the photos. Remember, the photos are what's going to get you the bookings, so make sure it looks good. A lot of tile work going on here. We took a really nice custom designer tile, did a wainscot around the entire bathroom to make it feel like the most upgraded bathroom in the house. And of course, retiled the entire shower, which is going to get really nice new black trim kits as well. Master bath, master bedroom is going to feel really good and look great in photos.
As we've said many times before, the number one thing you want to do in your Airbnb is maximize the revenue that it generates. And you can do so by maximizing the amount of people that can sleep in that home. We have 4 bedrooms behind me. We're making each one of them unique so every guest feels like they get their own unique space to sleep.
So some major updates to the backyard. We got in our large covered patio. This is a cheap additive to add a lot of value and more lounge space to the backyard. Cost us only about $4,600 to install this 15-foot wide by 20-foot long covered patio. So overall, progress is looking pretty good on this house. We're not too far over our initial timeline on this property. It's only been about a month and a half, and we've done quite a bit of work to this one. Budget-wise, we've actually gone a little bit over budget because when we got in here, we made the decision as a group collectively to over upgrade the property to make sure that we maximize bookings and maximize our nightly rates when people book it on the Airbnb site.
I'm very excited for our next video on this property to show you guys the full renovation, all complete, and the house will have all of its furniture, so it will be ready to go live on Airbnb.
If you have any questions on the renovation process, how to purchase an Airbnb, or how to even design and renovate an Airbnb, drop a comment below. We're always happy to help.
And even comment if you want to book our Airbnbs.
That's right. And until then, we'll see you on the flip side.